U-Haul Truck and Trailer Rentals exclusively in Maple Valley at Wilderness Auto Service and Chevron. Come see us if you're moving across town, across country. Maybe you're just taking a massive load to the garbage dump and want to make one trip instead of several. These are good reasons to come and see us at Wilderness Auto Service. And let us find the right truck or trailer that best suits your needs. You can count on us. We're at 23701 Maple Valley Black Diamond Road in Maple Valley. See you soon.
It's inevitable. At some point, everyone who owns a car will have a dead battery and will have to jumpstart their vehicle. Here are some do's and don'ts when faced with this situation. Of course, the very first do is do have in your car a traditional jumper cable or portable jump starter. Connect the positive jumper cable, usually red, to the positive terminal on the dead battery. Make sure and look for the plus sign on the batteries. Connect the other end of the positive cable to the positive battery terminal on the good battery. Connect the negative cable, usually black, to the negative terminal. Look for the minus sign on the good battery. Now connect the other end of the negative cable to an exposed metal part of the vehicle with the dead battery. Once placed correctly, start the working car, running it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, turn the dead car's ignition key. Your car should start up right away. Stay connected for a few minutes. Next, turn off both cars and carefully disconnect the leads in the reverse order, making sure the leads don't touch one another. After jump starting, it's best to drive 15 to 20 minutes to recharge the battery. Now for a few don'ts. Unless you like getting shocked, make sure you do not have the one car running when connecting. Also, do not mix up the cables. Double checking is a must. Do not lean over the battery during a jump start or jump start a battery that is cracked or leaking. Doing so is dangerous. It could lead to an explosion.
Thanks for watching our video. Come and check our reviews on Facebook and Google. Then come see us. You'll like the experience.